Hi everyone. Thank you for joining me again here at ePowerOn. Today, we're going to be doing things a little differently. We're going to do a sort of unboxing of our construction safety station. If you have joined me before on a YouTube video or on one of my live streams discussing our station, this video will better help you understand how it works. This is a weatherproof NEMA box. The back has a bracket that can fit a 4-inch and 5-inch square or round pole. The slots are designed to use a stainless steel clamp to secure it to the pole. We can see we have 6 connectors, a power port with a 6-foot power cord, a backup power port, and 4 PoE-enabled Ethernet ports. Each of these connectors are watertight. The 3-way bracket is compatible with all of our cameras, and the slots are compatible for our network equipment or the point-to-point antenna. We'll be going over the antennas in just a little bit. Normally, our NEMA box comes fitted with a 3-pin receptacle. We replace this with a 7-pin receptacle to fit our control node. This node has 3 power wires and 4 low voltage wires, which consist of a ground wire, dimming wire, a 12-volt DC power, and signal input from the external sensor, which we will connect to the thermographic camera. Our node will provide 12-volt DC power for external sensors like motion sensors. Now, let's take a look inside our construction safety station. Inside the box, this is our power input. When the power comes in, it goes through 2 levels of surge protection. The 10 kVA surge protector and our control node also provides an additional 6 kVA of surge protection. We have a transformer that will step down the power coming in from 277 to 120. The power then goes to the control node that will power everything inside the box. The industrial-grade universal driver provides 48 volts DC power to our PoE board. This driver can support power fluctuations from 90 to 277 volts AC, meaning if the power drops or fluctuates, the driver will still provide 48 volts DC to power the PoE board. Okay, so the PoE board is also watertight. It's wrapped in a protective layer or a film. This PoE switch is unique. Each port has its own isolator and an additional level of surge protection. The standard PoE is 48 volts. However, our ubiquity network or antenna, sometimes called a nano or mushroom, uses 24 volts. So we provide 2 120-volt cables inside the box. We will mount at our warehouse prior to ship a power supply to this bracket. We can then plug our 120-volt power source to power our point-to-point antenna cable. So why are there 2 120-volt cables? Let's say your job site or your business covers a vast area that may have obstructions between the camera's antenna and the antenna on your building or remote facility. We can use our box as a relay or like a go-between. We would mount 2 antennas on the relay box. One of our point-to-point antennas pointing to the construction safety station, and the other pointing to the equipment on your facility. We provide a 100 megabyte per second wireless network over the antennas. This is our antenna right here, or point-to-point equipment. This connects all of the PoE ports and associated equipment to the same network. We also have a security button. If someone were to try to hack into our camera, this button right here will prevent them from viewing our other cameras. So what are the big takeaways I want you to know about our construction safety station? It has 3 levels of surge protection, not only from outside surge, but also on the PoE board itself to protect each port. The security button to protect against hackers, and the industrial-grade driver. Interested in learning more about our construction safety station? Click the link below and set up a detailed webinar for you or your team. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us. Hope to see you again next time.